Hi, Kevin Purcell here with Hitachi Vantara, and I'm excited to be at the Global System Integrator Executive Summit event here in beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona. I'm honored to have a special guest with me. His name is Alok Magan, who is the Executive Vice President for Manufacturing Practice in North America. Alok, welcome and thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Kevin. Very excited to be part of this discussion. Looking forward to a nice discussions with you today.
Pleasure is all mine. Tell the audience a little bit about what Atos' overall strategy is.
People know Atos as a infrastructure specialization company for years, but the new Atos is different. So the new Atos is a global digital company headquartered in France. The company is now having a deep expertise in cybersecurity, decarbonization, cloud, hybrid cloud, and IoT, data, even computer visions. So those are the things which are sought after digital skill that most of the companies are looking for. So that's what the new Atos is.
I tell you, that sounds very familiar, Alok. It is our strategy as well. Can you come up with some areas where we can actually collaborate together?
Actually, I can think of many areas. I used to think that it's a storage company, but it's a huge company and you have so many capabilities. But the good part is that our capabilities are aligned and complementary. The future of factories, smart factories are the areas where I believe that we should be collaborating. We should be going together to our customers. Almost every client has done their pilots, their POCs, and they're ready for scale. Looking at your capabilities, specifically that Lumada, right? And our capability on factory of the future smart factory. Actually, if we take it to the customer, the scale is possible. Scale is possible and we can help them realize that. So that's something which I would like to say that let's go and help our clients on that.
Yeah, it sounds music to my ears. Where do we accelerate or how do we accelerate?
This is an area where the clients are worried about many things. The aspects of cybersecurity is a key area for them, when they are going for this kind of a journey. The aspects of IT/OT consolidation. Sometimes we also hear that the layer between IT and OT is getting blurred, but the reality is that still there are issues. So we need to work on that. And the third thing is touch and feel. Atos has a capability of presenting the entire smart factory tailored to a customer's need in a very studio kind of environment so that they actually can feel what exactly the future of their company in reality. I think that's something which should be focusing on and go to the client with the tailored solutions for them. I think that should work very well.
If we could show them the opportunity and then execute on it.
Absolutely.
Yeah. One last question. If you look at our partnership, in one word, how would you describe it?
I would say excellence.
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 That's wonderful. Alok, thank you so much for joining us here in Scottsdale. Really appreciate your time and look forward to seeing you again.
Thanks for having me.
You're welcome. Thank you all and thank you for joining us.